swaying of the hips goes a beg. It was some fine dribbling by the Cameroon striker. Kick will be taken by Perthenebang. And a lovely header into the roof of the net, sheer power. And it is the number 17, Kingu Pondo, from the Cotton Sport Football Club. Kingui Mapondo. Really powerful header into the roof of the net. Such power and precision. Perfectly floated corner kick. And Mapondo has got the first goal. Kingui Mapondo has got the first goal of the match for Cameroon with this very fine header. So 1-0 ahead, the number 17, the midfielder, Kingui Mapondo, has put Cameroon 1-0. And again being brought, and it was Mardek Mardekian who brought him down. Mardek Mardekian, in his haste to get the ball, brought down his opposing striker. That is causing them all sorts of problems. Very tough to get the ball back. Very dangerous team, the local Lions. Their second stint in India. Not seen much of his tricks so far. India have worked out a plan. It's either Clifford Miranda. Very good interception over here by France. Also Cameroon's ability that the midfielders score from long range. They don't only depend on their strikers. Kingui Mapondo by Paul Bebe. Seems tackle on Francis Fernandez by the dangerous. Francisco traps a very awkward ball. Ball rises and Thomas Mapondo comes in like a tank in full. That's it, trapping, awkward bounce. He's got a bit of a fall. Trained by with his left foot, he can curl in an in-swinger, which he does to the far post. This is danger and it's a goal. Because you have to now get into an attacking formation. The Cameroon supporters, the marking was poor, and that danger man, the tank-like Kingui Mapondo of Cotton Sport Garua, has silenced the crowd. What a powerful header. It went like the speed of a rifle bullet. He's got power, he's got timing. There he goes, and even though there's a man standing on the line, it flies past him. So the favourites are 2-1 ahead. Cameroon leading India. Raju Gaikwad on the line could do nothing. And in the lead is Cameroon with Mapondo scoring in, curling it in, doesn't get enough height. Good play here by Mapondo. On his own, the man who scored the second goal. That's the Nehru Cup, the trophy for which these two teams are contesting. Will it go to their money's worth in the final with Sashu Tembe? The goal coming for them in the 17th minute. Cameroon easily using. Al can take some heart from that. A chance for a long-range try, delaying. A deflection, goalkeeper went the wrong way. Ritesh Thapa, but it went off a Cameroon player, says Kamil. Some Indian fans, some Nepalese fans, have a look at it again. Headed away from try by the Stefan Mio. Cameroon, very loose limb, very relaxed, use a lot of one-touch passes, quick switches, far post. Chance still, the move is still on. And a lovely shot, and that's goal number 1. What a volley, what a volley, what a brilliant volley by Mapondo King. Cameroon ahead, 1-0 in the 11th minute. What a shot and what a cross. Reverse ball, and on the volley, he makes no mistake. This burly Mapondo weighs 85 kilograms, solidly built, 6'3" tall. And he bangs the ball into the net. It goes with the speed of a rifle bullet. Stefan, it's Cameroon 1-0 ahead. Maldives know they have a fight on their hands. They are not getting a touch of the ball. Rash tackle by Mapondo. There he is, lunging feet, straight at the feet of the number 50. The population of just 328,000 are great fighters. The solidly built and what a bullet-like header in the goal. Again, it's that danger man Mapondo. This is Mapondo's third goal. And what was the Cameroon and the Maldives defense doing? Very poor marking in the corner kick, in the set piece. If you look at it now, they've gone to sleep. They have been deceived somewhat by the burly Vigny Mereme. Everybody concentrated on him. Didn't see Mapondo coming in like a bulldozer at the edge of the 6-yard box. And he powered the ball into the net. Stefan Mapondo, his second goal of the match, he's on a hat. And so at the 40th minute, Stefan Mapondo gets the ball. Cameroon played back. A chance to let fly. Pushed off the ball. Free kick going Cameroon's way. Ali Ashfaq. That's, he's pushing. In the 14th Nehru Cup, it was on penalty. And it's into the roof of the net. It's the number 17, that is Mapondo. He's got a lot of power in his shots, Mapondo. He scored the second, put Cameroon in the lead. Now this is a very important to a superior team who also benefited by a few close to, Timran Mohammed still arguing, but he's been quite outstanding. Stefan Kingui Mapondo. And now the presentation, and the Honorable Consul General of India to Cameroon, J. Ravi Kumar, escorted by Mr. Ashok Arora, Manager Logistics, All India Football Federation, is giving the Man of the Match award to who else but that excellent midfielder, Stefan Kingui Mapondo, for scoring 2 goals. You can see the sweat on his face. The Man of the Match award, worth $1,500 US. He gets it from the Honorable J. Ravi Kumar. That's the $1,500 check. Ashok Arora over there, $1,500. He's happy. Justifiable reward for his hard work in the...
DJ Warning Black.